Hello there, and welcome back to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster. I hope everyone is crushing life, and today we've got something a little bit different for you. It's the 1979 Honda CB400 Twin Honda-matic. Yeah, don't see many of these. Put a comment below or hit the like button if you had one of these. Speaking of like button, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. So, this is the Honda CB400 Twin Honda-matic. So way before all DCT and all that malarkey, we had the automatic from Honda. This bike's currently showing 11,500 miles. Can't guarantee that, you know. It is a nice clean bike, but obviously from back in the day we don't know what the history of this vehicle is. I've got a Haynes manual with this bike, so any maintenance can be done by your good selves. It is tax and test exempt now, so 1979, so no test or MOT or tax required, which is a nice little bonus. We'll obviously give the bike a bit of a check over prior to coming out. Can do nationwide or international delivery on this vehicle. Just give me a call for a quote on that. As the diesel prices are fluctuating all the time, the courier prices are changing as well. We can maybe look at finance. Again, just give me a call on that one. If you find your own finance, we do work closely with all the third-party finance companies as well. I'll just quickly start this bike up for you. A little 400 twin. Do that quick short start up because I know it's really low on fuel, because we do try and keep these with minimal fuel in. Obviously with modern ethanol etc, and the petrol doesn't do them any good. So yeah, quick start up there for you. Yeah, it starts and rides as it should do. In stock today. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at the bike in question, you can do. Always call before you set off, just to make sure the vehicle's in stock. You can call me on 01302 760 967, any questions at all, or you can email me chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. and like I say, you're more than welcome to come down and look at the vehicle yourself, along with any of the other 160 bikes we've got in stock. But yeah, always call before you set off. Gives us a chance to get the kettle on, get a brew on the ready for you, mate. So yeah, with that in mind, stay safe folks, and don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe. Have a good day. Cheers.